Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjani. In today's video, I'm going to share you some information about lipsticks. That is, you might call it like lipsticks 101, the basics of the lipsticks. So what are all the lipsticks available in the market and how to select the perfect lipsticks. What are all the things we should look into while we buy lipsticks, and about the different colors of the lipsticks. So doing a lipstick video at this time is because July 29th was an International Lipstick Day, so I thought this should be the right time, and I did a video on this, and I hope you'll learn something from this video. And without talking too much, let's get into our video. So coming to the lipsticks, there are like 4 to 5 types of lipsticks. It's like cream lipsticks, matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, stain lipsticks, and gloss lipsticks. So the most commonly preferred lipsticks are liquid lipsticks and cream lipsticks, and the gloss lipsticks are getting in trend these days, but I love both matte and gloss lipsticks. Like it depends according to the outfit you're wearing or to the occasion. It depends. I love both matte and glossy lipsticks, and so these are all the lipstick types. And the next thing will be like how to pick the right lipstick for you. Yeah, it is a big question for all of us. So how to pick the right color. So most of us not feel comfortable to wear bright colored lipsticks. There is a certain guide that helps to pick the right shade of lipstick. What to look for when buying a lipsticks. The first thing you should look for is the formula. Make sure the formula isn't too drying or make your lips look chappy and flaky. So make sure to find a right formula lipstick. So beyond everything, the main thing you have to consider is to buy the right color. So how to pick the color of the lipstick? Again, it depends on the undertone of your skin. So I have shared a lot of information about the undertones in the foundation video. If you haven't watched, I'll add the link in the description box. So for warm skin tones, aim for richer color like berries, plum. These kind of color looks great on the warm skin tone. Anything that lean towards the yellow or orange tone will look absolutely great on you. Coming to the cooler skin tones, I would say aim for a cooler colors with a blue undertones. You'll definitely pull off a red color if it is not too orangey or yellowish. So pick a color that has a cooler undertone with blue or purple shade. For the neutral undertone, again you can wear both the warm tone lipsticks and cooler tone lipsticks. And again, the thumb rule for picking the right shade of the lipstick is to stick to the tone of your clothing. That is, if you wear a warmer clothing, pick a warm colored lipsticks. So if you wear a cool clothing, then pick a cool shaded lipsticks. So warm with warm and cool with cool. That will be easy to pick the shade. The next thing you have to focus is prep your lips before applying the lipsticks. So one of the key points to getting the perfect lip wear on the lipstick is to prep your lip first. If your lips are not smooth and flake free, lipstick is gonna look more streaky and it might get settled in your lines. So make sure to prep your lips before applying the lipstick. So how to prep your lips? Before applying the lipsticks, make sure to exfoliate your lips. You can find an exfoliator, lip exfoliator in a makeup boutique or in a drugstore. I would suggest you a natural way of exfoliating your lips. That is with sugar and honey. Mix sugar and honey and rub it over your lips. Don't be so harsh, it might tear your lips. So be gentle. Rub it over your lips and wipe it off. It will exfoliate the skin over your lips and it gives a smoother lips. After exfoliating, make sure to apply any lip balm. I would say pick a wax-based lip balm, stay longer and it hydrates more. And one more thing is, don't over apply the lip balm. If your lips are too slick, the color will slide right off. So make sure to apply little less. Once your lips are prepped, you can apply the lipsticks. If you have a dark pigmentation around your mouth, so everybody knows, like few of us have a pigmentation around this area, especially we brown girls do have a hyperpigmentation around mouth area. So if you do have that kind of pigmentation, I would say apply a color corrector If you don't have too much, I would skip the color correction step. If your pigmentation is too dark, I would say apply a color corrector and find a concealer that is your shade, not too light a shade. We usually pick a lighter shade to apply around your eyes to make it look bright, but around your mouth, I would say go for a concealer that is your shade and apply the color corrected area and blend it. So if you apply, your lips might look more defined and brighter. And one more thing is, if you live in a humid area, it helps to prevent bleeding. These are all the tips to find the perfect shade of the lipstick and how to wear the lipstick. So now I'll show you a different lipstick that I feel it looks better on me. I have already prepped my lips with the lip balm and I have applied a glossy lipstick that is in a nude shade. That is from the brand Adesso, New York, and this is how the nude shade look on me. So I would say every girl has to find a perfect nude for her. The nude lipstick can be paired with anything. You can use it when you go to office, or if you're going for a shopping, or if you're going to meet a friend or whatever. I would say nude lipstick can be paired with anything and everything. So one thing you had to look into while you buy a nude lipstick is don't go find a nude color that is very close to your skin tone, so that makes your lips disappear. If your skin and the lips look in the same color, then that's not gonna look great. So I thought of sharing few of my favorite lipsticks. So the first one will be the one I'm wearing today. So it is Adesso New York liquid lipsticks. So it is a glossy liquid lipsticks, and I always love to pair it with any heavy eyes, and it looks great on every outfit, like each and every outfit. I usually prefer wearing a warm shade or a nude lips, so this is my favorite. And before applying the next shade of the lipstick, I will wipe this off. So the next shade of the lipstick I'm gonna apply today is, it is another nude. It is from MAC. It is Velvet Teddy. It is a matte lipstick. This kind of a peachy nude. So this is how it looks on me. My next favorite lipstick is from Stilla. It is Stay All Day liquid lipstick. It is a matte lipstick and it's in the shade Pattina. So it is a mauve shade, and I absolutely love this shade, especially on Indian outfit. It goes great. This lipstick is something, it has a cooler undertone. The previous lipstick, the peachy one, it has kind of a warm undertone. So one more tip is, if you have to accentuate your lip, I would say you can apply a little bit highlighter on your cupid bow. So this is a shade of pink with a cooler undertone, and it is one of my favorite lipsticks too. And it can be, so as I told, it looks great with an Indian outfit. So the next lipstick is from Dose of Colors. It's in the shade Coral Crush. It is of course a warm shaded lipstick. So the next shade of the lipstick I'm gonna apply today is, this is from the brand Sephora, and the shade of this lipstick is Hot in Havana. So this is a flame orange lipstick, and of course it's a warm shaded lipstick, and I always feel like this lipstick makes me so ill or pale. So what I do is, but still I love this lipstick. So what I do is I add a little bit of brown color to it. So it is also from the brand Sephora, and it is the shade, so I'm not sure about the shade. I'll mention in the description. So I'll add a little bit of brown to it. So look how does the lipstick has turned. I always mix a formula and colors, so do play with the lipsticks. You can always mix the formula and color and you can come up with a new color. So I love this shade of lipstick. It's kind of a brick red and I always love this shade of lipstick. My next favorite lipstick is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this can be wear on a party or a special occasion. I would definitely say this is not a day-to-day wear lipstick. Finally, this is the last shade of lipstick I'm gonna try today. It is from MAC and it's in the shade Velvet Teddy and it's a burgundy shade. So it also looks great on the warm undertone people. So it can be paired with a smoky eye and it looks absolutely stunning with a smoky eye. I've actually tried in one of our video, I guess. Pretty much we have seen about the lipsticks, how to pick the right shade, how to choose the formula and how to prep your lips, and so what are all my favorite lipsticks. And I still do have few favorites, but I don't think I can do it today. Already I can't feel my lips. Maybe I'll do it one more video. So this is all about lipstick. There is also a lip contouring technique. I'll do that in another video. Hope you like this video and hope this video is useful for you guys. So lipstick is something that most commonly used by each and every one of us. So hope this video is an useful video for you guys. So if you did think so, please make sure to like and comment below. And if you do have any questions or suggestions, please ask me in the comment section in the YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Until then, it's Ranjini. Bye. Thanks for watching.